This video focuses on the potentiometer smartware, or the dial, and the block that comes with it. The potentiometer only has a dial on the front, which you can rotate around up to a certain point. This is very similar to something like a volume dial on a set of speakers. The position of the dial is noted by a numbered index, which can be as low as 1 and as high as 1023. This is a very easy way for you to control things in your plan directly. Just move the small dial around and program it to affect things in your plan. Since the potentiometer is an input device, it only has one block, which allows you to read the data coming in from the dial. The block that comes with the potentiometer is the read dial block. It reads the current position of the dial on the potentiometer. If you have the block on the workspace and you move the dial, you can see the picture on the block also move, letting you know what position the smartware is currently set to. To show you how the dial can be used in your plans, first grab a read dial block and connect it to start. Next, go into the comparators menu and grab 3 different blocks: the is value less than block, the is value in between block, and the is value greater than block. Connect all 3 to the read dial block, and connect the value pin on the read dial block to each value pin on all the comparator blocks. For the is value less than block, make the lower limit 300. For the is value in between block, make the lower limit 300 and the upper limit 700. For the is value greater than block, make the limit 700. Now grab 3 set qubit LED color blocks and connect them to the blocks like so. One LED block to the greater pin on the is value greater than block. One LED block to the in between pin on the is value in between block. And one LED block to the less pin on the is value less than block. Loop the rest of the pins on the comparator blocks back to the read dial block. Now choose a different color for each LED block. Then loop the LED blocks back to the read dial block as well. Once you launch the program, you will be able to see how the dial can work. If you have the dial in a position below 300, the light on the LED will be the color connected to the is value less than block. If the dial is in a position between 300 and 700, somewhere in the middle, the color will be whatever is connected to the is value in between block. If the dial is in a position above 700, the LED will light up and the color connected to the is value greater than block. That was the rundown of the potentiometer smartware and the block that comes with it. Hopefully now you will be able to use it effectively in your plans.